The applications of artificial intelligence are virtually limitless, with industries such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment all benefiting from AI innovations. As more businesses adopt AI solutions to increase efficiency and reduce costs, the demand for skilled professionals in this field is expected to surge. This presents a great opportunity for those looking to start or grow their careers in AI, as the industry offers high-paying jobs and an ever-expanding range of exciting roles. In addition to employment, investors can also tap into the potential of AI by investing in emerging technologies, startups, and established companies. As AI technology continues to evolve and shape the future, those who are well-prepared and positioned to benefit from this transformation stand to reap enormous rewards. In this video, we will explore 8 ways you can get rich from the AI revolution. The first opportunity is through offering consultancy or professional services on AI. As companies continue to adopt AI technologies, they require expert guidance and support in navigating the complex world of AI. This presents an opportunity for consultants and professional services firms to offer their expertise and help companies implement AI solutions, develop AI strategies, or train employees on AI technologies. AI consulting services are in high demand and can provide a steady stream of income for those who have the necessary expertise. Moreover, there are many opportunities for specialization within the AI consulting field. For instance, one can specialize in developing AI solutions for a particular industry, such as healthcare, finance, or transportation. Specialization can help you build a reputation as an expert in your niche and can enable you to charge a premium for your services. Number 2. Investing in AI companies and startups. Investing in AI companies and startups is a straightforward way to get rich in the AI revolution. Companies like NVIDIA, Alphabet, Google, and Microsoft have already established themselves as leaders in the field and have made significant investments in AI technologies. Investing in such companies not only provides a good opportunity to profit from the AI revolution, but also helps to diversify your portfolio. Additionally, investing in startups that are pioneering new technologies and applications in the field can provide significant returns on investment, especially if the startup is acquired by a larger company. With the increasing demand for AI technologies, there are many startups emerging in the field, and by investing in the right ones, you can benefit from their success. Number 3. Development and selling AI products. Developing and selling AI products can be a lucrative way to profit from the AI revolution. This could include software, hardware, or cloud services that leverage AI technologies to solve specific problems. Some examples of successful AI products include chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems. AI products can be sold to businesses or to consumers, depending on the product and its target market. Developing an AI product requires a significant investment in time and resources, but the potential for profit is significant, especially if the product gains widespread adoption. Number 4. Investing in the training data, algorithms, and hardware required for development of AI systems. Developing AI systems requires a significant investment in training data, specialized algorithms, and powerful hardware. Investing in these assets can provide a significant advantage to AI developers and companies. For example, companies that specialize in collecting and curating high-quality training data can sell their data to AI developers and companies looking to develop AI systems. Similarly, investing in specialized algorithms or hardware can give AI developers a competitive advantage in developing AI systems that are more accurate and efficient than their competitors. There are many companies that specialize in developing and selling AI infrastructure, and investing in such companies can provide significant returns. Number 5. Investing in research and development in AI. Investing in research and development in AI is essential for staying ahead of the curve and identifying new opportunities in the field. This could involve funding AI research projects, collaborating with AI researchers, or developing AI prototypes and proof of concepts. By investing in R&D, you can be at the forefront of AI innovation and position yourself to profit from new AI technologies as they emerge. In addition, investing in AI education and training can help to build a pipeline of talent that can drive future AI innovation. There are many opportunities to invest in AI education, such as funding AI courses or sponsoring AI research programs at universities. Number 6. Offering AI-powered solutions to industries. AI has the potential to transform a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation. By offering AI-powered solutions for these industries, you can help companies improve their operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. For example, AI can be used to optimize supply chain management, improve medical diagnosis, and enhance financial services. If you are interested in offering AI-powered solutions for industries, you will need to have a deep understanding of the specific industry and the problems that companies in the industry face. You will also need to have a strong understanding of AI technologies and how they can be applied to solve these problems. This may require a significant investment in research and development to create tailored solutions that meet the needs of the industry. Number 7. Creating AI-powered applications for consumer use. Consumers are increasingly adopting AI-powered applications such as chatbots, voice assistants, and recommendation systems. There is a growing demand for these types of AI-powered applications, and companies that can successfully meet this demand can reap significant profits. Whether you are developing AI-powered applications for personal use or for commercial use, the potential for profit is significant. To be successful in creating AI-powered applications for consumer use, you will need to have a deep understanding of the needs and preferences of the target market. This may require significant market research and user testing to ensure that the application meets the needs of consumers. You will also need to have a strong understanding of AI technologies and how they can be applied to create applications that are both effective and user-friendly. Number 8. Investing in AI funds and cryptocurrency. Investing in AI funds and cryptocurrency is another way to make money in the AI revolution. AI funds are a type of venture capital fund that only invests in startup companies that use AI technology. They offer investors a unique way to invest in AI-driven companies and benefit from their potential appreciation in value. When investing in AI funds, it is important to do your research and choose a fund that has a strong track record of investing in successful AI companies. You should also carefully consider the fees associated with the fund and the level of risk that you are willing to take on. However, if you are willing to take the risk, investing in AI funds and cryptocurrency can be a great way to profit from the growing demand for AI technologies. In summary, the AI revolution is creating numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs, investors, and developers to get rich. Whether you're an investor, consultant, entrepreneur, or developer, there are many ways to profit from the AI revolution. However, it's essential to approach any investment with caution, thoroughly research the market and technology, and understand the risks and uncertainties involved. By doing so, you can position yourself to reap the rewards of the AI revolution and potentially become super rich in the process. Okay, alright, that's pretty much what we wanted to share with you. So you know the way it works. Go ahead and hit the bell for notifications. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in another tutorial soon. Thanks a lot.